Hi everyone, and welcome to Bavina's Crafts. I'm going to be doing a really quick DIY tea light candle holder. And these are the items that I'll be using. I'm going to be using this round foam that I got from Dollar Tree, some Dollar Tree bling wrap, this clear glass rose that I got from Dollar Tree, a round mirror from Dollar Tree, some Craft Smart pink. I think I got this from Michael's or Walmart. I'm going to be using some spray adhesive, and I have some prisms. So let's just get started. First thing I want to do is go ahead and take this outside, spray this adhesive all on top, and then I'm going to apply the mirror. Once that dries, we'll go on to the next step. Okay guys, so the mirror is completely bonded to my foam. I'm going to use this paint to paint the whole outside of the foam silver. And the reason that I'm doing that is because the mesh bling is see-through. And I don't want the background to be white, I want it to be silver. By that way it'll be more attractive. So I'm just going to pour some paint inside the top. Okay guys, so I'm going to let this dry, do a second coat, let that dry, and then come back and go on with the DIY. Okay guys, I'm back, and now it's time to go to the next step. And very similar to the tea light candle that I did on my other channel, Beverly's Design Time, I'm going to set this rose directly in the center. And I'm not going to glue it yet, so what I'm going to do is just start placing my prisms around to get an idea of where I want them to be. Because of the shape of the flower, you just can't lay them out. You have to do it in this order. Maybe one more. Let's see. I don't want them extremely close together. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and mix some of my epoxy. Now this epoxy sets up relatively fast, so try and work fast. So I'm just going to lift up the rose. And it's okay that that piece fell. Guess I should concentrate on the edge of the bottom because there's a ridge here. Set it directly in the center. Alright, once you have your flower centered, go ahead and start adding glue to your prisms. Just continue to go all the way around. Alright, just do a double check to make sure that they're all straight and evenly spaced. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks, so I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and then come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, my piece is completely dry. This is really heavy and solid. If you give this as a gift, the person is going to be so happy. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to do is go ahead and trim out the side with some Dollar Tree bling. And they also have this at Michael's, so you can use this as well. That would be really pretty on there, as well as the mirror towels. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, so we're going to keep this a Dollar Tree craft so far. This is a 5-row bling, and to cover the base we only need 4 rows. So I'm going to measure it out and then cut away one row. And that's how that looks. Look at that, isn't it pretty? All right, so I'm just gonna cut one row away. All right, so to add this on the base, instead of using hot glue, I'm going to use some FIXALL. All right, so I'm just gonna put some glue on the stick just like this, so I can spread it around. And you wanna get it on the mirror as well, on the edge of the mirror. All right, you gotta just put your bling on. And continue to do that all the way around until you're done. And now I need to just cut off my excess bling and tap it down. I am going to come back and put some felt on the bottom of these to make these more complete. Alright guys, so there you have it. Isn't that pretty? So now I'm just going to go ahead and wrap some tape around it to create a good bond between the styrofoam and the bling. So I'll go ahead and let this sit up for about 3 hours, come back and let you see what they both look like. Okay guys, so this is my completed rose tea light holder. Isn't it gorgeous? And remember, I'm still going to put some felt on the bottom to make it a more complete look. But yeah, this is it guys, and I'm going to gift it to one of my subscribers. So if you would like to enter to win the set of tea light holders, make sure that you are subscribed, comment, and like this video. And that's all you have to do to enter to win. And I'll be announcing my winner in my next upload. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.